How was your dinner?
Just load it up.
Just load it up. Yeah. You drive around and when you pick it home, you take all it off.
And then when I'd have to give it back to you, we'd have to unload the snow chains. They were in sacks like that, brand new snow chains for semi trucks.
But you know how like he's gonna like talk people up all day, like when the lights go down. You got this wow. They're all in there. You can ask Hannah too.
Yeah, I guess I could just figure out.
It is a lot of time.
No. There's a silver right here, right behind.
So, the door checking is open for
Scott Mugford's
Yeah, we couldn't get the golf cart out. They had to come back and
Blue Collar Customs open house, Sacramento. Just want to say thank you, Scott Mugford. Yeah, that's him right there. And his staff for wonderful food, good times at their open house here at Blue Collar Customs. What a party. Full house. Thanks a lot. And this, my friends, are pretty much the tail end of it. So you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified on the next one. It really helps the channel, doesn't cost you anything, and we really appreciate it. See ya.